Here's Virginia and Dugan's puppies. There's the little black and white boy. There's the black and white girl. There's the black boy. Hey, buddy. And the black girl. Puppy, puppy, look. Look at you guys. In the black and white ones, the girl has a bigger blaze. And in the black puppies, the male has a little bit thicker coat and is a little bit bigger. So what do you guys think? Guys, what are you doing? Did you bump yourself? Did you bump yourself? Oh, my birds are talking in the background. It's talking time. What a cute jump. Do that again. Do that again. Do that jump again. Oh, boy. Someone coming to the door. Someone coming to the door. Hey, guys, look. Hey, what a pretty boy. What a pretty girl. And pretty girl. And a pretty boy. Oh, goodness. Hey, guys. Birds are meowing. The birds are meowing. They're the barking. Never get bored around here. No. Never get bored around here. Oh, goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful you guys are. Let me see one of those jumps again. That's pretty cute. Pretty cute little jump. What? Oh, goodness. Alrighty, that's probably enough.